Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Peter.
And I'm Lily. We're so happy to be here with you today. Peter, how are you doing?
I'm doing fantastic, Lily. Really excited for today's topic. How about you?
I'm great. And yes, today's topic is super useful for everyday English. We're talking about phrasal verbs, right?
Yes, phrasal verbs, those little verb plus preposition combinations that can be confusing but incredibly powerful.
Exactly. And our job today is to make them simple and fun. Before we start, please remember to like this episode, subscribe to Mr. English Channel, and share it with your friends.
Yes, your support means everything to us.
Okay, Peter, let's start simple. What's one phrasal verb you use every morning?
Definitely wake up, like, I wake up at 6 a.m. every day.
Good one. Wake up means to stop sleeping. Super common.
And right after that, I get up.
Yes, get up means to rise from bed. People often confuse wake up and get up, but now our listeners know the difference.
Another pair I use every day is turn on and turn off.
Oh, yes. Turn on the light, turn off the fan.
Imagine saying, start the light. That sounds so strange.
Exactly. Phrasal verbs sound natural, and that's why they're important.
What about look for?
I use that one all the time. I'm looking for my keys. It means to search for something.
And its cousin, look after, means to take care of someone.
Like, can you look after my dog this weekend? Very useful.
Here's another good one. Run into.
Yes, I ran into my old friend yesterday. It means to meet someone unexpectedly.
Sometimes it's a great surprise.
Sometimes not.
Now for something we use with phones. Call back.
Yes, I'll call you back in 5 minutes.
And after finishing a phone call, we hang up.
Even though phones don't hang anymore, we still say hang up. Language evolves, but we keep the expressions.
What about when you invite someone along?
Come along. We're going out. Do you want to come along?
Very friendly.
On the other hand, if you're starting a trip, you set off.
We set off early in the morning for our vacation.
A nice phrasal verb for travel.
Here's a good one. Give away.
I'm going to give away my old clothes. It means to give something for free.
Very thoughtful.
And when someone stops a habit, they give up.
Don't give up on your goals.
One of the most motivational phrasal verbs ever.
When continuing something, carry on.
Carry on with your work.
Simple and common.
When you find something unexpectedly,
Come across.
I came across an old diary.
Often a pleasant surprise.
Inventing a story.
Make up, like, he made up a silly story.
It also means to be friends again after an argument.
Yes, English loves double meanings.
Reading something quickly?
Look through. I look through messages before replying.
Good one.
Understanding something difficult.
Figure out. I need to figure out this app.
One of the most useful phrasal verbs in English.
And when you have a good relationship with someone,
Get along with.
I get along with my coworkers.
Positive and friendly.
Trying something new?
Try out.
Let's try out that new cafe.
Very natural.
Visiting someone without planning?
Drop by.
I might drop by later.
Super casual and friendly.
Cleaning your room?
Clean up.
And then throw away the trash.
Easy and useful.
Dressing?
Put on and take off. Put on your jacket. Take off your shoes.
Everyday phrases. Filling a form?
Fill out or fill in.
Very practical.
Continuing despite difficulty.
Keep on. Keep on studying.
Encouraging and useful.
Coming up with an idea?
Come up with.
She came up with an amazing plan.
Delaying someone?
Hold up. Sorry I held you up.
Common in traffic situations.
Becoming familiar with someone?
Get to know.
It's great to get to know new people.
Picking someone up
Pick up. Can you pick me up at the airport?
also means learn quickly, pick up a language.
Canceling an event?
Call off.
Useful for meetings and plans.
Recovering from illness?
Get over. Get over your cold soon.
Great one for health.
Talking about the past?
Think back.
Nostalgic.
Reviewing something carefully?
Go over.
Great for studying.
Exploding or expanding?
Blow up.
Another one with two meanings.
Trying on clothes?
Try on. Perfect for shopping.
Accidentally sharing a secret?
Let out.
Oops moments.
Writing something quickly?
Jot down.
Especially useful for phone numbers.
Joining a group?
Join in.
Very inviting.
Backing out of plans?
Back out.
Annoying but common.
And finishing something?
Wrap up.
Which wraps up part 1.
Welcome back to part 2 of our episode on phrasal verbs. If you're still with us, thank you so much. We're excited to continue.
Yes. And in this part, we'll dive deeper, give more examples, and help you understand how to use phrasal verbs naturally in real conversations. Let's start strong with a very common phrasal verb, workout.
Yes, workout can mean to exercise, as in, I work out at the gym.
But it can also mean to solve a problem. Don't worry, we'll work it out.
2 meanings, very typical of English phrasal verbs.
Another one, bring up.
He brought up an interesting topic during the meeting.
It means to mention something, very useful in conversation.
What about point out?
I want to point out one mistake, meaning to show or highlight something.
Here's a personal favorite, set up.
It means to arrange or prepare something. Let's set up the room for the event.
Also used for business or tech, setting up accounts, websites, meetings.
Another important one is cut down on,
I should cut down on sugar.
meaning to reduce something. Great for healthy lifestyle goals.
Now one for learning, pick out.
Pick out your favorite book, meaning to select something from a group.
What about break down?
Yes, the car broke down. That means it stopped working.
Or emotionally break down, start crying.
Another double meaning.
Here's a super useful one, check out.
Check out this song. It means to look at or try something.
It also means to pay and leave a hotel.
Listeners, take note. This one appears everywhere.
Let's continue with turn up.
Can you turn up the volume?
And he turned up late, meaning he appeared or arrived.
Another very conversational phrasal verb, calm down.
Take a deep breath and calm down.
Great for emotional situations.
One more, break up.
It means to end a relationship.
But also means the sound is not clear. You're breaking up. I can't hear you.
How about carry out?
The team carried out the plan successfully.
Meaning to complete or perform a task.
A classic one, find out.
I found out the answer. Meaning to discover information.
And give in.
He finally gave in to the request. Meaning to surrender or agree.
Here's a friendly one, chat about.
Let's chat about your weekend. Not a strict phrasal verb, but used like one.
Let's add look forward to.
I look forward to seeing you.
Essential for polite English.
What about check in?
We checked in at the hotel. Very common in travel.
Break into is another interesting one.
Yes. Someone broke into the house, meaning to enter illegally.
But also break into laughter, meaning start doing something suddenly.
English loves multi-purpose verbs.
And here's one we use every day. Log in.
Please log in to your account.
Digital life depends on it.
Another must know. Sort out.
We need to sort out this problem, meaning to organize or solve something.
For studying, we say look up.
Look up the definition. Check information in a dictionary or online.
If something becomes less strong, we say die down.
The storm finally died down.
And when something stops completely, shut down.
A big one. Show up.
He didn't show up, meaning he didn't arrive.
And when someone tolerates something unpleasant, put up with.
I can't put up with the noise anymore.
A very expressive one.
Now let's talk about phrasal verbs in daily life.
Yes, phrasal verbs are not only vocabulary, they're communication tools.
For example, instead of saying continue, you can say carry on.
Instead of cancel, say call off.
Instead of discover, say find out.
Using phrasal verbs helps you sound natural, confident, and fluent.
And remember, practice is the secret.
Listen to English songs, watch movies, read books, and you will see these phrasal verbs everywhere.
When you hear them often, they become part of your thinking.
Don't forget, write them down, jot down, and create your own sentences.
Well, we are about to wrap up our episode.
Yes, thank you so much for joining us today.
Please like, share, and subscribe to Mr. English Channel.
And comment below, which phrasal verb is your favorite?
We love reading your comments.
Keep practicing.
See you next time. Bye for now.